So on question 5, again, you have something in Desmos that we created a while back that you can use to do these calculations. But let's say find the average velocity for the time period beginning when t equals 3, and then the time period is 0.01 seconds long. So I'm going to put in, I'm going to go f of 3.01 minus f of 3, and then the time limit is 0.01. I don't know if it will let me do this in this way. Let's give this a try and see what it does. I don't know if I can type it in this way or not. So I'm going to put in my fraction bar, and then I'm going to go 41 times 3.01 minus 12 times 3.01 squared minus, and I'm going to put this next part in parentheses, 41 times 3 minus 12 times 9. Where did the 9 come from? And then in the denominator, let's type in 0.01. I don't know if this is going to work or not. Let's see what it does. I'll submit the question, see what it comes up with. Yeah, so it took that. It's okay with that. It gave me the green check mark, so I can save a lot of time. I could probably copy and paste this. Let me see. If I copy this and I paste it here, and it didn't let me copy it. Let me try it again. Copy and then paste, and then I just need to change this 05. Oh, I got to be careful there. 0.05 to the second power, and the denominator is going to be a 0.005. I don't know what's going to happen. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so those two are both coming up correct. So this is working out okay. I've got the form down, and it's going to work out fine. Now, when I get down here, all of these numbers, so here's the bad thing. I don't know what these numbers are. It gets me it gets me a green check mark, but it doesn't tell me what that actual answer is. This is where you should probably use your Desmos, because they want to estimate the instantaneous rate of change. And so that is, we've got a Desmos app that we created a while back that you can actually use this for. But when t equals 3, so all of these numbers are going to get really close to some single value. So I can get the green check marks, but it doesn't help me much. And so let's go down to question 6. So the graph of f of x is shown. Estimate and list the value of x where f of x has a horizontal asymptote. Well, it appears that there's a horizontal asymptote right here and another horizontal asymptote right there. So it looks to me like it's at -5 and at 2 is where my horizontal asymptotes are. All right, I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to go over questions 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I'll put this up to YouTube, and I'll see you back in a bit.